I think it's not just my philosophy, but it's a philosophy over the years that has brought success to many managers, business people, politicians. It's the bedrock of any team. And if you're going to be successful, that's what you need. It's not all about resources and money. That does help. And you do need to get the best people, but you need a good culture. That's one thing from 3 years ago working with FIFA. I learned a lot about the culture of Jamaican football, and I want to carry that on. I want to learn more. I want to experience more. That's why I came here. It's one of the main reasons. It's a new challenge for me. I left a very good job and a very good club to come on this project, and I believe in it. That's why I'm here, and I believe in the people because I've known the people before. After our conversations in the process to being the head coach, the vision, the dream, what they wanted to put in place was all there. And for me, I'm excited about this project. I'm excited about the next 18 months. But it's going to be hard work. A lot of work has been done already. There is still a long way to go. And yeah, still a lot of work to do. But by them values, we'll certainly progress and go forward.
One more. People say you have left a dream job to come to Jamaica. What would have been that determining final thing? I'm certain that you would have slept on it for a good while and thinking in your mind if this is a good thing for you or what. What would have been that tilting factor for you accepting the job in the end?
Yeah, I mean, look, my ex-assistant and now head coach at Manchester United, Eric Ten Hag, approached me to join his staff 2 years ago. And it was like full circle for me from 20 years ago, working with Sir Alex Ferguson, 20 years later, working with Eric Ten Hag. And I've got to thank Eric, especially, for giving me that opportunity at Manchester United. And it was hard work for 2 years and lots of many ups and downs, and that's football. And we will have this here as well over the next 18 months. Ups and downs, but we must stick together. And that's what we did at Manchester United. And I must thank Eric giving me the opportunity to do that. And really, when this job came up and I thought about it, it was a new challenge for me, and that's what I needed. I felt I'd done my job. I'd been there 2 years. I'd helped Eric to establish himself in the Premier League, establish himself at Manchester United, to know what Manchester United was all about. We won the Carabao Cup in the first year, Champions League football. Second year, we suffered, but we finished the season on a high with an FA Cup final. And I thought it was the ideal time to leave Manchester United on such a high. But I was so excited about the opportunity here and what I knew was here, and I knew the potential, I knew the talent, I knew what the JFF were working towards. They've been doing that for the last 2-3 years since I joined the ecosystem. And I love a challenge. And it's an exciting one. It's a World Cup. It's a World Cup. When I look at the history, 98 was the last time Jamaica was in the World Cup. The World Cups I've been to 2002, 2006 in Japan and Germany, even the Euros with England. You can't believe what an absolute unbelievable experience a World Cup can be. And that's what we must sell, that dream. We sell to everybody. But my job, our job, everybody's job on the island, every Jamaican in the world, is to make that vision come alive, to make that dream come alive. And the key is the players. It's always the players. I talked about that before, about the talent that is available, not just on the island, which I know, but also around the world, to tap into that, get the best players here, put them together. You know, when I mention it to people back in the UK, the potential people that we could bring into the team, wow, it could be a great team. It could be a great team. And that's what we want to build. This job is not just about working, it's about recruiting, it's about getting the best players and then getting them to commit, to buy into a culture, to buy into Jamaican culture, to buy into the Jamaican way of playing. I think the last coach, Jaime, certainly demonstrate that and has left the team in a good place. I hope I can take that on and develop it even further.